Welcome to DecimalChain YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how you can create your own cryptocurrency in just 5 minutes using the Decimal blockchain. But before we start, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our next news. So let's go. To get started, go to console.decimalchain.com. Here you will need to access your wallet. Enter your seed phrase and click the button to login. Ready, you have accessed your dashboard. It is important to remember that to create a currency, you will need to have at least 1,000 DEL tokens in your wallet. This amount will be used to add liquidity to your coin. You will also need a few more DEL tokens to pay some fees when creating your currency. I'll explain all of this in this video. Here in the menu, look for coin issuing. So in the first field, coin name, write the name of your coin. You can use up to 64 letters. Then in coin symbol, write an abbreviation for the name of your coin. This will be the ticket that will represent your coin. It must have a minimum of 3 letters and can have a maximum of 10 letters. Finally, you will need to create an icon for your coin. You can do this using the platform Gravatar.com. Click here in this link, then log in the website and upload an image to be your coin icon. Now go to Gravatar.com /website /check, and in the email checker option, enter your email you used to log in. Look below for email hash, copy this code, and then paste it here where it says enter hash. Click next, and a message may appear. It will show you what price you need to pay to create your currency, depending on how many letters you use as symbols. As I chose the word astronauts, which has 10 letters, so I need to pay 250 DEL tokens. Click next. Now you need to inform the issuance quantity your coin will have at the beginning, and what will be the maximum amount of coins that can be issued. Here below, you must inform the amount of DL tokens you will provide as liquidity to start your coin. The minimum amount required is 1,000 DEL tokens. Constant reserve ratio is a guarantee offered during purchase and sale transactions. It is necessary to maintain the economic balance of your coin. This parameter will have a strong influence on the value of your coin. If you set the value too low, your currency will suffer from a lot of volatility. But if you set 100%, your token will receive the full DEL price. I'm going to put 50% because I believe it's a good number for balance. Click Next. And here you can add a message to your coin. And remember that this message will be public and can be seen by everyone on the blockchain. Then, write something that relates to your value or goals. Click Create and review all data. Pay attention that for me to create this currency that we are creating, for example in the video, I am paying 1,000 DEL reserve tokens plus 250 DEL tokens for the value of the symbol and fees. Click Confirm, and that's it. We just created a coin in less than 5 minutes. Here you can click on the link to check the transaction hash. It will show all the details of the creation of your currency, which are published directly on the blockchain. Back on the dashboard, by clicking here on My Coins and Tokens, you will be able to see your coin that was created. And if you want to see more details, go to explorer.decimalchain.com. Click on Coins and Tokens and use the search bar to search for your coin by name. Click on your currency and a panel with lots of details and information will appear. If you still have any questions, write them here in the comments or look for our support on our social networks. And remember, to learn more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, follow Decimal Chain.